My name is Laszlo Sos. I work for Bosch since 2022 September. Our first SAP Digital Manufacturing project went live in November, also 2022. My role is Integration Manager, hence also we came along Cloud ALM. And beside that, we have rolled out SAP DM since 2022 on 25 locations, 25 different lines, and we run around 300,000 processes every day. So with Cloud ALM, we are addressing our monitoring challenges for SAP DM. From the beginning of SAP DM, we always had issues with the monitoring. In that time, DM was also not offering alerting, so at some point in 2023, SAP came to us and has recommended Cloud ALM as an alternative solution. SAP DM at the beginning was not covering these functions, hence SAP recommended Cloud ALM and we started using it already. 2023 was our first initial use of it, but then gradually DM was more and more included in Cloud ALM and we also started to use those functions. Cloud ALM has helped us improve our monitoring and alerting. This has improved very much. In our group, the service and support, we are giving the service to our customers and we also give the support. Hence, since Cloud ALM is available in our tenant, since 2023, we can say with the integration and exception monitoring, we reduced our working load with 20–30%, and when eventually also job and automation was available, we could reduce down to 50%. And we are eagerly expecting real user monitoring and health. And when this will be available, then we can say our workload is 90% reduced. So this is a direct impact not only on our working time, it also gives a faster service, faster support, and then this support eventually also leads that our production lines can go live much faster. We are expecting from Cloud ALM the remaining features for DM to be integrated. We are waiting eagerly for the real user monitoring. Real user monitoring will help us again reduce a little bit our workload. We have requested also some extra features for the other types of monitoring which are offered by Cloud ALM. When those will be available, let's say we can say we are very happy and glad to use Cloud ALM. We would recommend Cloud ALM to be used intensely with DM. This is also our use case. We use it almost every day. Actually, we use it every day and it has a direct impact on our service and support. We can say clearly that it has improved our response times and our ticket response time generally, also in the interaction with SAP.